Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering HACCP controls to create the most effective food management system possible. In this video, you'll learn about HACCP controls and their critical role in effective food management systems. What is HACCP hazard analysis and critical control point? The HACCP concept was first developed in the 1960s by the U.S. by NASA, working with Pillsbury to ensure crumb and pathogen-free food that had extensive shelf life properties for space travel. Many food businesses struggle with compliance and maintaining safety standards, leading to potential health risks for consumers. Foodborne illnesses are a serious concern, and the consequences of non-compliance can be devastating for both consumers and businesses. In recent years, we've seen several high-profile cases of foodborne illnesses that have led to product recalls, brand reputation damage, and even fatalities. It's clear that improvements are needed. That's where HACCP come in. By implementing these controls, businesses can significantly reduce the risk of food safety issues and protect their customers. Despite the importance of HACCP, many still struggle to implement and maintain effective food safety systems due to a lack of understanding of the legal issues and safety risks. We'll break down the 7 principles of HACCP, how to implement them, and the importance of monitoring and verification in food safety. The 7 principles of HACCP are the foundation of an effective food safety management system. They provide a structured approach to identifying and controlling hazards throughout the food process. By understanding and applying these principles, businesses can identify and mitigate risks, ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, and protect their customers. The first principle is to conduct a hazard analysis, which involves identifying potential hazards in the food production process. This is a critical step in implementing an effective HACCP plan, as it allows businesses to identify areas where hazards are most likely to occur. The second principle is to determine the critical control points, which are the points in the process where control is essential to prevent or eliminate hazards. The third principle is to establish critical limits for each critical control point, which are the limits beyond which a hazard is likely to occur. This is the last step a company has control over. The fourth principle is to establish monitoring procedures to ensure that the critical control points are within the established critical limits. Hot, cold, holding, etc. The fifth principle is to establish corrective actions to be taken when monitoring indicates that a critical control point is not within the established critical limit, e.g. cook for longer, etc. The sixth principle is to establish verification procedures to ensure that the HACCP plan is working effectively. This is inspections and audits. The seventh, final principle is to establish record-keeping and documentation procedures to demonstrate compliance with the HACCP plan. By following these principles, businesses can implement an effective HACCP plan that ensures the safety of their products and protects their customers. The key insight is that by mastering HACCP controls, you can significantly reduce the risk of food safety issues and enhance your business reputation. By implementing an effective HACCP plan, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to food safety and quality, which can lead to increased customer trust and loyalty. This, in turn, can lead to increased sales and profitability, as well as a reduced risk of product recalls and brand reputation damage. Furthermore, an effective HACCP plan can also help businesses to reduce waste and improve efficiency by identifying, eliminating hazards, inefficiencies in the production process, and reducing waste. In addition, an effective HACCP plan can also help businesses comply with regulatory requirements and avoid costly fines and penalties. By implementing a robust HACCP plan, businesses can demonstrate compliance with food safety regulations and standards, which can help to avoid costly fines and penalties. This can also help to reduce the risk of legal action and reputational damage, which can be devastating for businesses. By investing in an effective HACCP plan, businesses can protect their customers, their reputation, and their bottom line. In summary, understanding and applying HACCP principles can transform your food management practices and ensure consumer safety. If you found this information helpful, consider watching our other videos. If there are any topics we would like covered, please comment. Please like and subscribe.